Hey everyone, my name is Khyree Watson, a recent graduate from the University of Washington. In August, I'll be starting, oh dang, I forgot what I was about to say. Redo, rewind. I forgot where I'm starting at. Hey everyone, my name is Khyree Watson, a recent graduate from the University of Washington. Starting August, I'll be working with Adobe. In high school, I probably bought about maybe 30 plus pairs of shoes easily. That involved like trading them in or selling some, but for sure about 30 pairs of shoes. And I still have a lot of those shoes today, so I can probably sell a lot more and make some money off of them. I worked during the summer at like a baseball stadium in Tacoma, but like throughout the year, side hustles, so selling clothes, selling shoes. I went to a private Catholic high school, and so when people saw Jordans, they kind of actually wanted them. So I would kind of like overprice them a little bit, and people would fall for it in a sense. I remember I showed like a pair of Jordans. I actually hooped in, played basketball in, like the day of the game. Some dude asked me about it the next day, sold it to him, like had creases, probably sold them for like $300. You know, life of a finesser, I guess.
It's ridiculous. It's obvious what's being done out here. It's on a nightly basis. I hope the world can see now what's really going on out here, because it's getting ridiculous. It's really ridiculous.
I think the greatest lesson is just don't believe everything. Like you see stuff online. Like I remember one time I kind of got played a little bit. I saw like a pair of Yeezys online. And I knew the guy, but I thought he kind of basically played me. I probably sent $400 worth and didn't get no shoes back. So I think the biggest lesson is just, make sure that you trust the person or trust where your money's going. Don't be so easily fooled by, what it looks like, the glamour, the glitter or whatever. Just make sure you know where your money's going rather than assuming it. I saved a lot. Still haven't saved. Still have some. I guess you could say I still have some of that money in the savings account from high school. I saved a lot. The thought process I had while growing up, like when it came to checks, is put in 70%, spend 30% if I want to of a check. So I mean, sometimes it didn't work out. Sometimes money got tight, so I had to pull out the savings at times. But that was like the thought process I go in. Whenever I get a check of, let's say $100, 70 of it was going to go into the savings. $30 is going to be whatever I want to use it for. I wish I had learned about investing. Actually, just the ideas of like the real concepts of stocks, bonds, transfers, options, such as that. I think that's kind of lessons I wish I would have learned later. I learned later kind of the hard way in a sense, losing money now at times, but I feel like if I learned it in high school, I would have been way more ahead of the game. I don't think a lot of 16, 17, 18-year-olds are actually investing in stocks at that time, so it would have been really cool to learn about that. And you're not really taught that in high school or even in predominantly communities with minorities. So I think it's something that needs to be taught. Financial literacy is important because it kind of sets you up for the future, sets your family up for the future. I'm a real big person on generational wealth. I want my kids to be set, I want my grandchildren to be set. I feel like if I save now, start understanding those concepts now, I can teach those later. A lot of things that, like I said before, there's a lot of like lessons that I learned the hard way now while I'm in college that I wish I would have learned earlier while I was in middle school or high school, that a lot of students of color aren't really taught. So some stuff I wish to share with the communities that I'm a part of. Follow college habits on Instagram. What is it? College money habits? Yeah, redo it. I got it. I'm getting a shout out. Follow College Money Habits on Instagram and subscribe to their YouTube page.